I found a couple places near Ooty, Tamil Nadu. The first one is the Tea Factory and the Tea Museum at Dodabet Road, Melkodapund, Ooty. On the website indiatimes.com, they say, Ooty is most famous for its tea plantations. Connoisseurs will find plenty to choose from: dust and leaf, black, green, black and white varieties, and flavors such as masala, jasmine, cardamom and even chocolate.
టీ ఈజ్ ఎ వర్డ్, చాయ్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ ఎమోషన్. అలాంటి ఒక ఎమోషన్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తే యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ ఇట్. టీ ప్లాంటేషన్స్ మధ్యలో నుంచి టౌన్ వ్యూ చూసినప్పుడు నాకైతే ఇట్స్ ఎ వావ్ మూమెంట్. ఆ వెదర్లో అట్లా ఫోటోలు తీసుకుంటా ఒక 2 hours చిల్ అయిపోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ పనిచేసే వాళ్ళతో సేమ్ వాళ్ళలాగానే రెడీ అయ్యి వాళ్ళతో పనిచేస్తూ వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ చిల్ అవుట్ విత్ దెమ్. అట్లా కలిసి వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు ద ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ వర్క్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు చాలాసార్లు ఫన్ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడప్పుడు కామెడీ, అప్పుడప్పుడు సీరియస్నెస్, అప్పుడప్పుడు ఫైటింగ్, అప్పుడప్పుడు చిల్ అవుట్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్. That's the knowledge. Finally, we can also get a photo here. Okay Google, we are in tea museum now. Let's see how tea is prepared.
After plucking, the leaves are crushed and juice pressed out. The juice is then subjected to fermentation under specified conditions. The fermented juice is steamed, centrifuged and freeze-dried to get instant tea powder. Nilgiri Ooty tea powder, grade, dust, packaging size, 1 kilogram at 170 rupees per kilogram in Kunur.
Let's also buy some chocolates.
Ooty is known for homemade chocolates, but Ooty tops the list with some of the best varieties. They are mostly known for their use of rich dark chocolate.
Will, knowledge and action. The next action is moving to another place. Okay Google, tell me about the place.
Famous for producing the Nilgiri tea, Kunur is one of the most beautiful hill stations situated in the Nilgiri Hills in Western Ghats, in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu.
Okay Google, let's have some fun and chill out now.
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. Ooty's main market is considered one of the best places to chill at night. When the tourists are done sightseeing in the evening, they come out of their hotels and homestay to explore the quaint market of Ooty, which is full of tiny knickknacks, souvenirs and other accessories, apparel and more. People also ask me, what is the special thing in Ooty? Want to hear the answer?